scratches on that. Anyways, I got these screws and accessories from our school on the ground. They let me have it. I decided to take it. There's a bolt. And then there's a washer. And then this is like the actual screw. I also got something. I also got this, but it doesn't like to go in and get it off, so I'm not gonna use it. So I'm gonna still put it in there. So I'm gonna start it off with these signs, like putting it on. So let me just get everything situated. Alright, I'll be right back. I am back. I got the screw right there, and then this goes right there. Yeah, this is just going easily. Boom, right there, and then put the washer on, and then I put the bolt. Alright, we just get ready. There. Only got one of these. Right? And then, yeah. Guys, here it is. So it looks like up front. Might get like a van accessible sign for this. So it looks really good. And there's a screw. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.